Hi friends, welcome to my channel Needle Art House. Today we will learn the perfect drafting of an armhole. Usually measurements can be taken in two ways, from a stitched garment or from body measurements. For now, as an example, we will take the measurements of a kurti and learn how to draft the armhole. For that, here you need to take the shoulder as 6 inches. And right next to it, that is from here, the neck width is 2.5 inches, which we have taken across. And the armhole from here is 6 inches. Finally, the chest measurement from here, it is 11 inches. Right now we are only learning the perfect drafting of the armhole, where the measurement is not important. For the fitting of the kurti, we have marked a point from here. The armhole length depends on its curve, so it can be learned using different methods. We will learn its perfect measurement later. At this moment, we will only learn drafting. This is our margin point, which is 1.5 inches. First, we will take the midpoint of the armhole, which is 3 inches, and mark it. This midpoint is important because it helps ensure that both sides of the armhole are even, which is necessary for a good fit. Next, we will join the margin point with this midpoint we just marked. To do this, make a proper curve like how it is shown, and at last from this curve, the line will come straight ahead. From here, there is a gap of 1.5, which is where most people make mistakes. So that was the back side curve. Now we will learn about the front side curve, and usually the front side curve is deeper. For that, first, after the neck cross, we will mark 0.5 inches. The second mark will be 0.5 inches outward from the midpoint, and the third will be marked at the armhole length. Join all these points carefully and keep drawing the curve perfectly from here up to the last marked point. So this is our front side curve. To watch more of our new videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also visit our website. This is the back side curve and this is the front side curve. Here, the chest and waist are cut in the regular way from the bottom. Finally, we have learned the perfect cutting of the armhole, and there are a few changes in this for kids' garments or low neck kurti. We will learn about those changes in the armhole measurement later. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.